Loyal Lane, Gopi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, just 1 second. Hold on. 1 second. Loyal Lane, Gopi, can you please verify? Now my screen is visible.
Your screen is not visible yet, Akshay.
Okay, 1 second.
Now, can you please verify screen is visible? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. Now it's visible.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Hold on, it's taking too time. Now. So please tell me last time which one topic we discussed. Anyone know? Last time. Last time which topic we discussed? Class A, Class B, Class C,
B.
subnetting part. But which one? We discuss only host concept. Yes or no? If you required a user IP, so we are doing which one concept, dear? Host concept. Today we need
Host
to
concept.
discuss. Today we need to discuss about which one topic? Network concept. Network means a group of users. So basically in a network, if we are getting multiple departments, for example, today we discuss subnetting a network concept. So right now, write down the topic name. Topic is subnetting for a group. Last time we discussed subnetting for host, that means user. Now, a verify first thing. Inside organization, for example, this one is organization. Inside organization, first we are getting a which one group? HR department. And we are getting accounts department. Then we are getting one more department. Which one, dear? Admin. Multiple. Then organization, we are getting one more department, a support team. Clear? One more, a server room, you can say. Then we are getting one more, cameras, IP phones, and then we are getting access points separately to provide a wireless connectivity. So inside organization, how many groups of department available? Multiple. Last time we discussed users IP. Now we need to provide a group for this one department, this one, this one, this one, this one, separate this one, and separate this one. So how to get a group of networks? It's very easy. Right now in a host concept, we do a which one concept? Off bit in your subnet mask. But if someone say I want to do a network portion, so always do which one task here? On bits. So we start subnetting from class C, a very simple method. For example, if you are receiving email and network admin say, please provide a 2 networks. How many networks, Loy? Two networks for HR and separate for accounts, and provide from a class C, and group address use 192.100.100.0. Use this address and get 2 group of networks. Now subnetting first rule, decimal to binary. So can you please verify which one decimal value we are getting right now in email? Two groups required. So right now in class C, how many octet free? Only 1 octet. So in one octet, we are getting this values: 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now, one more thing. For 2, it's a decimal value, convert into binary. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 0. Second task is which one, dear? A borrow bits. How many bits a borrow? Can you please verify first on bit position number? Anyone know? First position number bits. This one is first position, second, third, fourth, fifth,
Number
6,
9.
7, 8. So whenever we are doing 2 decimal value, convert into binary, coming from this side and verify which one is first on bit, 2 number, and position number also 2. So we borrow 2 bits. Third thing, a DSM to CSM. So class C default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Gopi, in this octet, how many bits available? Any idea? Gopi, Loyal, Neil?
8.
8 bits. Oh, very good. So how to represent DSM now?
0, 0,
Yeah,
255,
255,
255,
255, 255
0,
dot.
0, 0, 0, 0.
That's very good. Now we are doing network, or network you can say subnet, network you can say a group, no worry. Right now, if we are doing a network concept, so always on. So how to on bits? So last time we are coming from this side in host concept, but in network concept, this 3 octet is already full. So we need to go to 4th octet. In 4th octet, how many bits on? So how many bits of borrow we are getting last time? 2. So 1, 2. And remaining how many bits off?
0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done? Now make CSM from DSM to first octet full, second is full, third is full. In 4th octet, how many bits on? 2. So this 2
2.
bits value is plus this one, 128 and 64. 192.
192, yeah.
Okay. So CSM is ready. Now 4th number task, we need to get increment. Increment is very simple. 256 minus. In your subnet mask, which one octet not fulfill? 4th number?
4th one.
92.
92 minus. So we are getting a remaining
92.
value is 64. And 5th number task, we need to get a blocks. So network admin already provide address, write down as it is same. 192.100.100.0. So verify in your subnet mask how many octet full? First, second, third. So this 3 octet value always fix. So basically, if you are getting a first time 0 in 4th number, so this one is your first network address. And then 192.100.100. 3 octet as it is dot. This octet if you need to fulfill, so your increment values is which one? 64. So put 64. So this 64 will make which one? Second network address. Clear? But before this second network address, which one address available? 192.100.100.63. 63 is my broadcast address. For which group? For this one group. And valid IP 192.100.100.1 till go to 1 to 62. And this one is my valid IP. Done? Now we need to make a second network, because first this one we provide for example, this network for HR department. Now one more thing. In second network, if you need to verify valid IP or broadcast, so we put again 3 octet as it is. And already increment is 64. And again we need to put increment 64. So 64 plus 64, how many values?
128.
128. This one will make a third, but we required third network. No. So I don't want to use this one, but we need to get a which one address for second network? Broadcast. So this one is my broadcast for second network. And valid IP 65 to which one, dear? 126. And I will remove. If you required multiple groups, so you can utilize this one. But right now we are not required. Done? This thing. So this one group for which department? This one. Account department we provide. So verify this network address is different. This network address is different. So every group having a different network, different valid IPs. Clear? A different IPs. Now, if someone asking a two things, how many valid IP available every group and how many total networks we can get? So valid IP formula, I think we already done 2H minus 2. So how many bits off in your subnet mask? Verify. How many bits off? 6 minus 2. So 64 minus 2. Every group having how many valid IP? Loyal, Neil, Gopi, 62 valid IP.
62.
If someone asking how many groups we can create with the help of this subnet mask, it's a very easy. Now verify this formula 2 power n. So how many bits on in your subnet mask? In this octet, how many bits on? Anyone know how many bits on? 2 bits. This one is on now only. So 2 power 2. That means how many values come out? 4. So how many networks we can get total? Only 4. So if someone asking with the help of this subnet mask, how many network, how many valid IP each group we are getting? So formula is very simple. For valid IP, 2 power h minus 2, and for network, 2 power n only. This thing is clear. Loyal, Neil, Gopi. Now next thing. Next thing, one more task we do separate. One more task. For example, if we are receiving again email, in email, network admin say, we required a 4 network, 8 networks, for example. Then we need to solve from class C, and network admin provide a group address again, class C, 195.70.10.0. So this one is email sent by a network admin, and you need to solve. First task, which one, dear? Decimal to
binary.
If you don't want, so no worry. You can escape and jump to borrow bit, no issue. So for 8, how to convert? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. For 8, which one bits on or off? Off, on.
1.
Off. So borrow bit is how many?
Borrow bit 4. 4.
Very good. Now third number task, DSM to CSM. So class C default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. In this 0, 8 bits. How to represent DSM now? 255.1234567 8. And right now we are doing a network. That means we need to do on. And which one octet we can do on bit concept? Only 4th octet free na in class C.
4. Yeah.
How many bits borrow? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And remaining how many bits off? 1,
0, 0, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, very good. Now CSM. First octet full, second full, third full. In 4th octet, 4 bits on. So plus this 4 values.
240.
240. So CSM is ready. Now, 4th number task is increment. 256 minus. How many bits on? How many bits?
240.
Only one?
240.
So I'm getting 16 is my increment. Very good. Block. For block, network address is already provided, 195.70.10.0. Can you please verify in your subnet mask how many octet full or free?
3 full.
Only 1 octet free, and remaining 3 octet fixed. So we need to fix this 3 octet. So and 4th octet we are getting 0. 0 means this one is my first network, and we need to create a block. So 195.70.10. 3 octet fix, and 4th octet put increment 16. 16 will make which one network, dear? Second network.
Second.
But before 16 we are getting 195.70.10.15. So this one is my broadcast, and 1 to 14 is my which one IP, dear? Valid. And this one is separate group. In a group we are getting 3 information: network, valid, and broadcast. So that is the reason we are calling which one? A block. Now how many networks we require, dear? 8. So one by one you can get. So this one is second network. We need to put 195.70.10. 16 plus 16, how many? 32. It's my third network. And broadcast is 31. So this one is 195.70.10. It's a broadcast. and valid IP is 70 to 30. Now again 195 as it is, 17 as it is, 10, 32 plus 16, not a 32 plus 32 because increment is 16. So 32 plus 16,
48.
48. It's my a fourth network. Same 195.70.10.47 is broadcast, and 33 to 46 it's IP. So 195.70.10.48 plus 16, 64. It's my fifth network. And broadcast is 195.70.10.63 is my broadcast. And valid IP 49 to 62. Now 195.70.10.64 plus 16. How many? 18. It's my sixth network. Broadcast for fifth network 195.70.10.79. And valid IP from 65 to 78. Now again increment. 195.70.10.18 plus 16, 96. It's my seventh network. And 195.70.10.95 is my broadcast. 81 to 94 is my IP. One more. 195.70.10.96 plus 16. How many? 112. It's my which one network? Eighth. And broadcast for seventh network, anyone know? For seventh network, which one is broadcast address?
111.
111. Very good. Valid IP 97 to 110. And 8 network we put only broadcast. 195.70.10. 112 plus 16, 128. So we need to 128. No, we need to put 127 broadcast, and valid IP 113 to 126. Clear? So how many networks we are getting? 8 networks. But if someone asking with the help of this subnet mask, how many valid IP? How to get? 2 power h minus 2. How many bits borrow? How many bits borrow, dear? 4. No, we need to check only off bit. Off bit is 4. So 2 power 4 minus 2. 16 minus 2. So we are getting every group
14.
how many valid IP? 14.
14.
And if someone asking how many networks, so 2 power n. How many bits on? 4 bits. So 2 power 4. How many networks?
16.
16. In a network case, we are doing a minus? No. Only IP case we do minus, because network address and broadcast address never use a PC. This thing is clear? Now, one more thing we discuss. So class C is clear. Any doubt for network? Now class B and class A. It's a very simple method to learn a subnetting. Again, if you're receiving an email, and inside email, we required, for example, 4 network. How many networks, dear? 4 network. But we need to use which one class? Class B. And class B group address someone use 129.10.0.0. So anyone know how to use this one? First rule, subnetting. Decimal to binary. D to B, na?
Binary.
Okay. This 4 number decimal value is more than 255 or less than? Less than value. So we can use in 1 octet to decimal to binary, because we need to jump second octet. No. If you're getting a more than 255, then you need to jump. So 4 convert into binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So anyone know which one is my borrow bit? Borrow bit is how many? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. How many borrow bits? If you convert decimal to binary, 4. So we are getting a borrow bit is how many?
Borrow bit 3.
Third number task DSM to CSM. So class B default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. This one is 8-bit. This one is 8-bit. How to represent? 255.255 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Which one concept we are doing, brother? Verify. Network. So that means on. If you are getting on concept, so how many bits on? 3 bits. Can you please tell me, first we need to full third octet or fourth octet? Which one octet first we need to full? Third octet, na? Because if you fill a third octet, then you can jump to fourth octet. It's not possible to fix first fourth octet, then go to third. So on bits, how many? 3. So 3 bits on, and how many bits are remaining off? 1 2 3 4 5 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now CSM is first 2 octet as it is, and third octet, how many bits on? Third octet 3 bits on. 3 bit means this value plus how many bits come, how many values come out? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. How many values come out?
224.
224. Very good. And fourth octet 0, because we are getting all bits off. Now fourth number task. Increment. 256 minus. 256 minus. Which one octet is not a fulfill? Which one octet is not a fulfill? Third octet, because fourth octet
third.
is getting a 0. So 224 minus. How many values remaining?
32.
How many values remaining? 32. 32 is my increment value. Clear? Now, fifth number task. Which one, dear? Block. Now. So network address is this one, 129.10.0.0. Can you please verify in this address how many octet full or we can fill? First 2 octet full, but third octet is which one? 224. 224 means it's a full or free? 224 means it's a free, we can fill now. If you are getting a 255, that means full. If you are getting a 0, that means free. So in between 0 to 254, if you are getting any values, so we are calling free. Now, so first 2 octet as it is every network, and 2 octet is always free. So right now both octet is 00. That means this one is my which one address? First network address. And first 2 octet as it is represent, and we need to fill first third octet. So in third octet, which one value? Increment value 32. 32.0. This one is my second network. Can you please verify which one is my broadcast? Anyone know which one is my broadcast? Before 32.0, which one value come out?
31.
31.255, because this octet helped to fill this one now. Now, this one is my broadcast. Valid IP is 0.1 until go to 1.0.255, 1.0, then 1.255 till go to. So we are getting 31.254 till. It's my valid IP. Now one more. How many networks? 4 networks. So again, 129.10.32 plus 32, how many? 64.0. This third network. Anyone know what is the broadcast address? Second network broadcast address. Anyone? Before 64.0, which one value come out?
63.255.
63.255.
Very good. Okay, again one more network, 129.10. 64 plus 32, not a 64 to 64. 64 plus 32 increment. How many?
96.
96.0. It's my fourth. And before this one value, which one is broadcast for third network?
95.255.
95.255 is broadcast. Now one more thing. For fourth network, we required a broadcast. That means we are getting then valid IP. So as it is represent your 2 octets, 96 plus 32. So how many values come out? 128.0. So before this one value, we are getting a which one value? For broadcast, which one address? 127.255 is my broadcast. And this one is my block, fourth network. Now, 4 network is we are getting, but if someone asking with the help of this subnet mask, how many valid IP each group, because we are using same subnet mask for every group, every network. So how many valid IP? So 2 power h minus 2. How many bits of count? How many bits of? How many bits of count? 5 plus 8, 13. So 2
13
power 13 minus 2. You can get values. How many networks we can receive? 2 power n. So which one? How many bits on? 3. So 2 power 3. So how many total network we can receive, dear? 8. Maximum network how many? 8. How many valid IP? 2 power 13. Now, one more task, class A, for example. If you are receiving again email, inside email, network admin say are required only 2 network. But from which class, dear? Class A. Use this address, group address, start from this one. 11.0.0.0, for example. This one. So first task for subnetting, first task, which one? Decimal to binary we are doing. So decimal value is more than 255 or less than? We need to go to first octet, we need to jump second or third octet. Which one octet we can get fulfill? Decimal to binary. First octet. So in one octet value 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now, so for 2, decimal to binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And 2 means this one is on and this one is off. Second task is a borrow bit. Anyone know which one is borrow bit? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. Any idea which one is my borrow bit? Borrow bit means position number of first on bit.
Borrow bit is 2. Borrow bit is 2.
2, because second number we enable the bits. So now borrow bit is 2. Write down this side. And third task is default subnet mask convert into CSN. Class A default subnet mask. Which one? Class A subnet mask. Last time we discussed every topic. Class A subnet mask.
255.00.
255 dot
5.0.0.0.
yes. Now write down. How many octet free in my subnet mask? 3 na? So represent this type 255 dot. Done. Now, how many bits borrow 2? And we are doing which one concept? Network. Network means on. Now, how many bits on 2? So first we need to on second octet, third octet, or fourth octet. Which one octet we need to on? Any idea? On bit, which one octet we do? Because second octet first we need to full, or third octet or fourth octet. Which one octet first fulfill? Second octet.
Second.
So right now
Second.
second octet 1 1 and remaining off. Now it completes off. Now CSM 255 dot and 2 bits on means this value plus. How many value come out? 192 dot. This one is 0 0.
0.
So CSM is ready, I think. Now fourth number task, increment 256 minus. In your subnet mask, which
192.
one octet is not fulfilled?
Second. 192. Second.
Second, very good. And how many values come out?
64.
Okay, now good. Math is good. Now fifth number block 11.0.0.0. In your subnet mask, how many octet full or how many octet free? Right now.
One full, 3 free.
One full and 3
3.
free. Okay. Now, so this octet value always fixed and remaining is 0 0. That means this one is my first network. Okay, 11 dot. How many value increment? 64.0.0. This one is which one network, dear? Second. And before this one, which one is your broadcast? Now you need to verify.
Dot.
Yes. No worry. If you tell me a wrong answer, no issue. We discuss.
11.63. 11.63.255.
Yes, because all
255.
yes, because this 2 octet help to fill first this one. If this one fixed, then we need to go to this one and this octet help to this one. So now broadcast is 11.63.255.255 and broadcast. If someone says, sir, this one is not a true answer. So how to verify? Subnetting. Go to network control setting. Go to your network adapter. Only virtual. No need to assign a Wi-Fi adapter IP. Okay. Last time someone student in live session put a Wi-Fi adapter IP. So you can get internet connection lost. Okay. So I'm using disable adapter. This one is not connected right now. So enable this one first. Go to this one, IPv4 properties. Right now verify. My network address is 11.0.0.0 and my subnet mask is 255.192.0.0. This one is network. Network address possible to assign PC, laptop, printer, and devices. Network address use and device. No. So if you're trying to assign, so we are getting an error. Read the error, dear. The combination of IP address and subnet mask is invalid. So if you're assigning network address or broadcast address in your end devices, then we are getting an error. Now try to broadcast address first. Now 11.63.255.255. Read the error. The combination of IP address and mask is invalid. So if you're trying assigning a network or broadcast, so it's getting an error. Okay, if someone asking what is the first IP now, anyone know first IP for this one? First IP 11.0.0.1 and last 11.63.255.254. Loyal, Neil, clear?
Yes.
Because class A, it's a difficult, but it's a concept. Only concept is. Now, next task. Next task is we need to get a second network address broadcast. So 11.64 plus 64, how many? 128.0.0. This one is third network, but we use no. 11 dot broadcast is broadcast address. Anyone? For second network, which one is broadcast address? For second network, which one is broadcast?
127.255.
Yes.
255.
127.255.25. If you need to check, so same, go to network adapter and assign this one first. 6400 and valid and say 127.255.255. Yes, clear? And if we assign 11.127.255, it's a valid IP or any network or broadcast address. If we assign last IP in your in this network, 11.127.255.254. This one is last IP, na? Assign. $254 and then enter. Done. If you're getting assigned, so that means IP. So this thing is clear. Loyal, Neil, Gopi. So we done class A, class B, class C, a subnetting part. Okay. And next session we discuss super subnetting. Okay. Super subnetting part we discuss in next session. You just need to download this workbook. Where is workbook? Hold on. IP address. Yeah, this one. Verify your chats. I'm sharing this one workbook. You need to download. Everyone. Okay. Loyal Neil, verify. Gopi. A workbook received here. This workbook.
Download. Okay.
If someone download, so share. Another students, okay. Then we meet again next week and start. Which one topic, dear? Super subnetting. And super subnetting, we can say a 1 hour session. And we also discuss FLSM or VLSM scenario.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.